Bitbacker is a Patreon alternative that has become really popular with content creators lately because it uses cryptocurrency and therefore can't be bullied by payment providers such as PayPal or Stripe. Many very prominent YouTubers have moved over to the site, especially since Patreon has deplatformed so many of its users, and payment processors such as PayPal and Stripe have pulled services from entire platforms such as Subscribestar. I'm going to show you how Bitbacker works and how to get started, whether you're someone who's looking for worthy projects to support or if you're a content creator who wants to set up an alternative revenue stream. To start with, I want to tell you about my favorite feature of Bitbacker, which is the PowerChat. This is something that Patreon doesn't offer. A PowerChat is similar to Google's Super Chat function, but way better. The Super Chat function allows people to send a comment or question to the YouTuber and have it highlighted at the top so that it stands out, and along with it, send them a donation. Google, however, takes 30% of this, so Bitbacker allows you to do the same thing, but it uses crypto and only takes 1%. If they send me a PowerChat through their account, it will come up with their name. That's great because then I can write a thank you message back. However, you don't need an account to use this feature on Bitbacker. You can send anonymous PowerChats. This is great for anyone who doesn't want to have to sign up to yet another account on yet another platform. They can send it through anonymously and the message goes through just as easily. To send an anonymous PowerChat, first of all go to bitbacker.io and search for the user that you want to send the message to. On their timeline, enter the amount that you wish to send and select the currency you wish to use. Then type in a message of your choosing. When you click the PowerChat button, a QR code will appear, prompting you to complete the transaction. Here, you can either click on the yellow Send To button, and the browser will use your default wallet, or you can scan the QR code provided, or you can simply copy the address provided and then go to your crypto wallet. If you then go back to the original web page, once that transaction has been located by the network, your prompt message should disappear, and your PowerChat should appear on their timeline. It's as simple as that. Your anonymous donation and message has been sent through. But if you wanted to sign up to Bitbacker and send a message through your account, the steps are also the same. Now, how do you use the PowerChat function if you're a content creator? To start with, open an account on Bitbacker. It's super easy and just requires you to pop in your email address. Next, add in a crypto address. You do that by clicking on the right-hand drop-down menu and selecting Profile, or just selecting the Profile tab up the top. You will notice an area that says Addresses or Public Keys. Click Edit, and this will enable you to put in whatever addresses you choose. Once you've done that, save each one individually. I find that I make the most of my PowerChat feature by using them in live streams. So the same way that people send me a super chat through Google when I'm doing a live stream, they can also send me a PowerChat. Click on the PowerChat icon, which is the little speech bubble with the $sign in it. Next, add the link for the video that you're streaming and click Update. When a video is streaming live and embedded on the Bitbacker platform, the live chat will also appear. So when I'm doing my live stream, I just pull up my Bitbacker page, and that way I can keep an eye on what's going on in the Google chat and also what's going on in my PowerChats, so that I can respond to both. It's super convenient. And as a content creator, why not add a link to every live stream that I'm doing if it gives me another potential income stream? It really doesn't take more than a few seconds. And any donations you receive on the Bitbacker site go directly to your wallet. You don't have to wait 30 days to be paid out. So that's how to use the PowerChat feature on Bitbacker, and I'll go over other features in other videos. You don't have to send comments during someone's live stream though. You can also post it on their wall. On Bitbacker, the only person who can post to your wall is you, unless someone sends a PowerChat, in which case they can send you a comment with a donation and that will also go to your wall. Often these things arrive in my wallet and I have no idea who sent them. I love the PowerChat feature because it allows people to send a note if they want to. If you know any awesome content creators who are looking for an alternative revenue stream, or have perhaps been demonetized or deplatformed in the past, let them know about Bitbacker. It's a great community and I really recommend it. So that's Bitbacker, a great platform that can't be bullied by payment providers. Before you go, please subscribe and hit the like button. And a huge thank you to all of my supporters on bitbacker.io and Patreon. If you haven't checked out Bitbacker yet, please do. It's kind of like Patreon for crypto. And a final huge thank you to the sponsors of the show for making these videos possible.